Hello snooker fans, this is me, Vilius Schulte-Eberts, ABSA professional snooker coach. In today's snooker practice video, I will share straight cueing practice routines which will improve your aiming and overall technique. This practice routine is suitable for beginner, intermediate and advanced snooker players. Let's do it! Starting with the straight blue ball to the middle pocket. Your goal is to aim topspin to the cue ball, pot a blue and follow cue ball to the same pocket. Give yourself 10 shot attempts and try to pot as many balls as you can. Blue ball levels. If you reach level 2 on the blue ball, then great, because you reach pink ball level. Pink ball level is slightly more difficult than blue ball level. Put a pink ball to the pink ball spot with straight cue ball to the corner pocket. Again, try to put pink ball and follow cue ball to the same pocket. Play it both sides, 10 attempts each. Pink ball levels. It was a first series of straight cueing practice routines. I will share more interesting cueing practice very soon, so stay tuned. If you like our video, smash the like button, ring the bell and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any problems in your game which you want to work on, leave your comments below the description box. Let me know what sort of video you want to see next. See ya!